Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a folder in a Telegram group. Folder in Telegram helps organize your chat and groups for easier access. To start, open Telegram app and click on the three horizontal line and go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Chat Folders. Click on Create a new folder and give the folder a name. You can include chats, and you can also choose the folder color in the chat list. But you will require a premium subscription, and after selecting your options, just click on Save. And from here, you can just go to your new created folder. Folders are especially useful if you are a part of multiple Telegram groups, helping keep your conversation neat and easy to navigate. And that's it. We just learned how to create a folder in Telegram to organize group and chat for better accessibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.